Hi everyone, so I wanted to do a video this week just kind of showing you guys, now that the holidays are over, how I, redecorate just for spring. I know it's a little early to, to start saying things in spring, but maybe in your area it is, but this is just kind of, just some different touches that I wanted to add to the house, just to spruce it up a little bit. It's just always that weird transition between holiday and spring. So just kind of in the, main foyer, I just kind of wanted to show you guys, I love the look of just a really, bold look of flowers and a vase, kind of like that hotel lobby look. And then just with these lanterns, I got these from Home Goods. And, I just wanted to kind of spruce those up, put those there. And this rug I actually purchased when we used to live in Argentina. And I just love how bold and different it is. And, it just really stands out. And just kind of putting it on an angle kind of gives it a different design look, which I really like. And just, on this tabletop, we got this, in India. So yes, we've lived in a lot of different places with my husband's company. So we love to just kind of collect things and put them around the house, and it just kind of adds to the story of our family. And of course, there's Leo. He's never without being in a video, the video mascot. But with these lanterns, of course, as you can see, I just kind of filled them in with corks. Yes, we do love our wine. And just adding a different touch with this, it was kind of like a basic color, and I wanted to, spray paint that in a rose gold just to kind of give it a different look. And then yes, just adding different touches from all of our travels. And of course, we just love to collect our wine corks, things like that, and just kind of add them to the decor. But just kind of, doing something that's not full spring, but definitely, just adding a little bit of those touches. I love to just have a couple of magazines around just to add to, the decor, and also when people are over, they can kind of flip through. And this round mirror tray I got at Home Goods, and so I kind of wanted to just add some different touches to that as well. So with the mantle, I definitely wanted to, just kind of add some different touches and some height to it. I looked to Pinterest, as you can see from this model, just to kind of give you an idea of how to set it up. If you do, have any questions, leave your comments down below, or, if you have trouble trying to just think of some new ideas, Pinterest is always amazing. And so I just wanted to kind of go for the more like spring but more romantic touch, especially since Valentine's Day would be coming up. And just kind of using a lot of pieces that you have around your house, so you don't have to just overbuy. So I had these lanterns that I was using outside actually during the summer, so I decided to clean them up and bring them inside. And then just picking up some flowers from Michael's and adding those to just different vases that I have. And then the white frame was actually part of a picture that I had in a different room that I wasn't using. And so I just kind of wanted to add some height, and so I took the glass out and just kind of added that to go around the clock. And then with these candle pillars, the glitter is actually German glass, and I ordered that from Amazon and just kind of added that with Mod Podge. And so just some simple touches that can kind of spruce up and change things. I picked this up from Home Goods. It was a soap dispenser. It was on sale for $3. And so my daughter just actually added the dish soap to it just to add a little bit of a cute touch to it. And then just, just little things that you can do just to kind of spruce things up, but not having to spend a lot. And then on the dining table, I've had this vase for a while, and of course I'm from the Caribbean, I'm from St. Croix, big up to anybody watching. But just kind of, wanted to add a little bit of that home touch of just the islands. I'm so far away from home and my family's still there, but at least I can just kind of look at the sand and the seashells if I can't be close, to the beach all the time. So with this vase, I, just had some plain ones kind of lying around, and I wanted to kind of spruce it up a little bit instead of buying something new. So I just decided to kind of tape up the top and then spray paint it with silver at the bottom and then the rose gold at the top, just to kind of give that, ombre effect and just kind of create something new altogether that I didn't have, just to kind of highlight, the colors that I was using for spring, and also it just went really well with the flowers. With these flowers, I decided to put this by the sink, but something a little bit more kitchen and fresh inspired. And so with this square vase, I got the flowers from Michael's, and then I actually ordered these plastic lemon slices from Amazon and just kind of glued them to the inside, just to kind of just have a different look to them. So I thought that was really cute. So I thank you so much for watching. I hope that I was able to give you some new ideas, and I'll see you in my next video.